So here we are in the main lodge at Chobe Water Villas. We just arrived and we're checking in. Really excited about the next leg of our African travel.
And back at the Chobe River Villas, which are so very nice. There's some down here on this very cool suspension bridge. And the rest of them are on the other side of the lobby and everything. There's like a little chill out area and lounge. It's all open. They have curtains and screens that they can close for weather, but basically this is outdoor living. Infinity edge pool, and this is they have tables that they set in this little pool here, and looks like folks have been laying out getting sun all day. Ooh, fire pit, hadn't noticed that. That's cool. And that side over there is the restaurant, which we'll be having lunch at shortly. So relaxing. Love the thatch roofs with the high ceilings. And it's cool under here. You know, it's a probably 80, low 80s degree day, but it's cool inside here. Very neat. We're back. We're very good. It was very nice out. Yes, very much. It's the restaurant. That's Regina. Usually a very sweet lady. Restaurant. Love the design. Very cool. And just open with ceiling fans. It works really well. And that's the main lodge. So the villas extend from the main lodge, restrooms here. And this is the meeting room. It's also the only place here with a television in it. So there's a big screen television, I'm sure it's satellite somewhere, for everybody to share, which we didn't bother with. So it's staff residences and a village where some of the workers are from are on the right as I walk up, and the villas 1 through 14 are on my left. And we have this elevated walkway that connects them. And yesterday, the first day we were here, I was walking through here and I saw a very large lizard. I thought it was a crocodile or something. It turns out it was, but it was on the grass trying to get to the water, minding its own business. So it proceeded, as did I. But this place is really cool. Now at night, there are no lights out here. There are little lights at the door of the villas, but it's just pitch black. So they give you a torch to use. I guess in a pinch you could follow the rope handrail and get back to the main lodge in a pinch, but there are animals moving around, there are bugs flying around. It would be a little hairy to do that all in the dark, but it's doable. And it's just cool. I mean, this is, again, outdoor living at its best, and we are just with nature out here. Last night, the cooling system worked really well. It was we were sleeping under this big down comforter, very nice sheets, just very, very nice. And it was quieter than I expected. I actually hope to hear more animal sounds, but you could hear, I think it's hippos. They make noise in the river out there, and the lap of waves sometime. But it was generally pretty quiet, and actually we overslept a bit. And we were late for our game drive, which was a lot of fun. So here we are at our villa, and I'll do a video for the inside later, but traditional construction on the outside, very modern, very chic design, very comfortable inside. Very nice. So we made it to Chobe River Villas in Namibia. I think, yeah, Namibia. And I'm going to walk you through. There's the front door. And much to our surprise and delight, it's this beautiful, modern thatch roof, modern interior, thatch roof, traditional on the outside. So here's a lovely bathroom, complete with a water cabinet and a separate shower. Ooh, it's a rain shower. I didn't notice that. So just very lovely. And the main room, these are all built-in closets and stuff. The main room, this A-frame roof, beautiful bed, and this is the mosquito net that goes around from the canopy. And the room right now is cool, but there are only like 2 ceiling fans going. And, benefit from having the nice high roof. But there's some cooling system that cools from under the bed and blows up through the bed that they turn on at night. So can't wait to tell you about that. And this cabinet is full of delights. So there's a complimentary mini bar and snacks and coffee and tea and glasses and all, and everything's included in the price. So, and then there's our private little balcony that overlooks that ridge over there across the channel is Botswana, and that's the mighty Chobe River. And we have our telescope, spyglass, and this is all full of animals at times. And like their hippo and crocodile, we're going to go on a cruise this afternoon. And we're pretty excited now. This is like just beyond cool. And then, who knew? So Mike, what do you think?
Wonderful. I'm enjoying it as we speak. This is great. This is really exciting. It's different. If you ever dream of coming to Africa, this is a place to come.
Yeah.
Really a sense of nature.
We've been out on travel in Africa for a week now. So what have been the highlights so far? Your favorites that we've done?
In Maputo, there's no comparison really. In Maputo, the reception at the U.S. ambassador's residence, it was wonderful. Going on that rickety boat in Maputo,
the little ferry boat.
The little ferry boat was different, okay. And then Victoria Falls goes without saying.
That was spectacular.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
And then taking a boat to Namibia was equally as fabulous. If you're into nature, it's a place to be.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to it. So we'll be talking to you. Sunrise over Botswana, and here's the front of our villa. Very nice private little porch. You can't see your neighbors from side to side because of the nice vegetation. And it's just beautiful here.
We have the fruit salads, and we have some pasta. We have the vegetable pie with this and the chicken with cucumbers. This is for garnishing, and the tomatoes. So this is our lunch for today.
Fabulous. Thank you so much, John.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you. Right.
Taking a little walk across this suspension bridge to the other 4 villas on the other end of the property. And these are really in this water. So we're in the end of the rainy season, and this whole area is flooded. So Ooh, this thing's swinging. So, so this is not always full of water, but it's kind of cool now. This is really kind of aquatic, but you can hear the all the wildlife and stuff. Whoa! So look at that. There's water lilies. I see a lot of insects. I don't see any fish or anything in there this morning. We learned yesterday that the local people harvest water lilies and cook them with fish or chicken for one of the local dishes. And this is actually not, this is the mainland on this side, so that's all land. Wow, look at that. Really pretty. It's got to be part of the sewage system, that big box. Birds, birds, birds. This is just spectacular. You're looking at here in the water. Oh, there's like a canal that goes through there. This whole area is just beautiful. But again, this is the end of the rainy season, so everything's very lush. That island out there, like the first piece of green that you see, remains green year round because of its proximity to the water. And animals come over from the Chobe National Park to find water and grass and stuff during the dry season, when the water is much lower in these areas and water in the park is only available at the river. So it's an important piece of the ecosystem, and it's also a very nice place to visit. You can also, because the animals come to the island in the dry season, you can observe them well from where we are staying. So it's kind of neat. Sunrise over Botswana. And here's the front of our villa. A very nice private little porch. You can't see your neighbors from side to side because of the nice vegetation. And it's just beautiful here.
We shall never forget you. Although you go very, very far away, we shall never forget you. Although you go very, very far away, we shall never forget you. Aluna kumilibala. Aluna kumilibala. Ni aiva kulimuya kwa ule ule. Aluna kumilibala. Ni aiva kulimuya kwa ule ule. Aluna kumilibala. Although you go very, very far away, we shall never forget you. Although you go very, very far away, we shall never forget you.
Thank you.